Namaste, Pranam. Today I am going to speak about the earthquakes. This year, that is 2020, the so many earthquakes will happen all over the world, especially North India. Then, when the Mercury is very important and Mars also very important. The this year the coming solar eclipse and the last solar eclipse and lunar eclipse which controls the earth. The Mars is known as the Bhumiputra. The factors to be studied on the occurrences of earthquakes: Mercury's strength and transit position, eclipse, settings of Rahu, Saturn, Jupiter, or Ketu. The coming solar eclipse will be 21st June 2020 at 9:20 a.m. to 3:04 p.m. That will be center point is Africa, Middle Africa, Pacific region and Indian Ocean region, and Asia will be affected. Asia, Europe, Africa, America. That also causes, that solar eclipse, that will be the diamond ring. The poison will enter into our body like the diamond ring. The retrograde motions of major planets. Now, the Saturn and Jupiter are retrogrades. That also causes the earthquakes. Normally, so many earthquakes will happen in North India, that is Delhi based. The Delhi, Pakistan, Afghanistan, especially this year, that Indonesia has 6 times earthquakes, and Philippines also have, and in Europe, some European countries also have earthquakes. In America also have earthquakes. The solar ingress to a particular sign, transit of major planets in Rohini, Hasta or Tiruvona Nakshatra. Now the Saturn is in the Magar Rashi, Jupiter also Nija in Magar Rashi and retrogrades. The Brahal Samhita and the other classical treasures refers to earthquakes. Astro causes can be deduced from them for the occurrences of earthquakes. Adverse conjunction between Mars and Saturn have been noted at the time of earthquakes. The earthquakes have been noted to occur between midnight and sunrise, and in a few cases between midday and sunset. Moon and Mercury must conjunct and should be in the same nakshatra. Frequent happenings of earthquakes are indirected when planets like Uranus, Saturn or Jupiter occupy Taurus, Scorpio or Magar Rashi. Analyzing past events, earthquake on 4th 1905, Mars and Mercury were transiting close to each other. Saturn and Rahu were in the earthy signs Capricorn and Virgo. A solar eclipse had occurred. Then earthquakes on 22nd to 1908. Mercury was in Pisces and the debilitation close to Saturn. Mars was the Taurus. In 2007 at the earthquake, the planetary forces then were not strong enough and the earth jolted midday. Lagna was Libra and the Taurus or Scorpio. Mars was retrograde in the star of Aruda ruled by Rahu. This year the coming solar eclipse is happened on 21st. That is very bad to the universe. That creates tension to the people. And also the earthquake will be creating trouble to the people. The North India, but it is not harm in Delhi, but it is harm to Pakistan and Nepal. The Rajasthan and Bhutan, Assam, UP has to face. But in Kerala also, one time will be the earthquake, but it is not harm. In Indonesia, it makes very dangerous to the people, 7 times earthquakes. So the people may be very careful while during the time of earthquake. The birds and the cow and etc. will be creating, their sound will be a various type of sound, so they can understand what is to be happened on earth. But we human beings are not have the sixth sense, so we, after happening, we feel. Thank you very much. I'll continue tomorrow with other subjects.